And here's Team Batak. Number 31, Bams pass inside the spin. Pass inside, reverse layup. That's Puyot for he pass to number 10. Drive, slave. Oh, pasok yan. Bola and ball stolen. Tuwang-tuwang laban. Tinuloy-tuloy. Dalawa yung pinani. Drives. Step. Oh, pinasasakto yung topic sa loob. And a back for to that. Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Ilocos Norte, Da Vinci Cup 2024 para sa laban na Batak at Solsona. And here you go, jump ball. Serrano versus Mata. And here you go, first ball possession. Solsona floater shot. First shot won't go. And here you go, number 11. He fires on 3. Bang! And a pass break here. He drives. Oops, supalpal. Another one! Dalawang beses supalpal mga idol. And recovers. And here's number 10. Pass on the inside. The alley-oop pass end of possession for Team Batak. Number 11 sa corner sa 3. Too strong. Battle for the rebound. Solsona for the rebound. Number 1 to number 10. Number 10 crosses the mid lane. He pass to number 1 sa gitna. Number 7. And a backdoor rebound. Number 7. He kicks out. Number 10. To number 1, pull up jumper, bang! Sa 3! Number 11 to number 28 to number 8 sa corner, pinasa pabalik sa 3. Na good rebound, Puyot. Umatake off the window, bucket for 2. And here's Team Solsona, number 10. He pass to number 11. Attacks, bounce pass. Nahuli, pass break, play. Natapikan number 10 for the steal. He pass to number 1. Here's Thomas. Thomas crossover. He stops. He pass to number 10. Drive, slave. Oh, pasok yan. Floater. And here you go, Team Batak. And attacks is stolen. 2-on-1. 2-on-2 ang laban. Nolok pa sa likod. Number 10. Hey, bucket for 2. And Batak ball possession. And dribbling at the middle. He pass to the corner. He fakes. Puyot. Cross pass. Fakes. Drives. Pass to Mata. Mata. Sinausaw ni Mata. We go Team Solsona. Number 8 crosses the mid lane. Dribbling at the middle. He attacks. He pass to the corner. And a drives. Step. Oh, pinasasakto yung topic sa loob. And a back for bola. And ball stolen. 2-on-2 ang laban, tinuloy-tuloy, dalawa yung pinanis. And here's Team Batak, number 31, Bams pass on the inside, the spins, pass inside, reverse layup, that's Puyot. We are tied at 11, and here's number 8 for Team Solsona. Di diskarte, pinasa sa gilid, Thomas launch on 3, too strong. Rebound Batak, and here's Puyot, he crossover, side step plays, bucket for 2. Montanilla with the ball. He stop, he fires at 3. Bang! Off the glass. And here's number 3 for Batak. Pass to Puyot. Puyot, kinaldagan. Pass to the corner. Ang gandang pasa. And a good finish on the rebound Mata. Pass to Enrique. No look pass on the inside. Bolik, sakto yung bola na save. Pass, gandang pasa. And a good finish. And a 16-15 ang score natin. And number 3 sa gitna, Mata sa 3. Bang! Na 4.52 seconds on the game clock. And stop spins. He launch on 3. That's the end. Na recover niya. Sumisigsag. Number 10. Pass in the middle. Pass inside. Kicks out. Wide open for 3. Bang! Backdoor inbound for Team Batak. Puyot looking for the receiver. Pass on the inside. Fires basket and 1. A perfect. And here's number 12 for Team Solsona. Sumegway. Little spin. He pass to number 10. Pass to the middle. Kicks out. He fakes. He attacks. Step back for 2. No good. Rebound Batak. He's on Harry. He pass break. Pinasa kay Puyot. Fires off the window. Puyot. Bakit? Number 10, dribbling the ball. Sumegway, pumunta sa gitna. Pull-up jumper at the free throw. Bakit? And number 11 is spins. Fades away. Bakit? 1. And here's number 12. Passion, binit-bit lays to the rim. Easy. Bakit? And Passion drives. No look pass. Fix. Ay! Uy, grabe yun. Sumakay nga. And here's number 11. Kicks out. Drives. Reverse layup. Yes, sir. Number 15 to number 10. To number 12. Antonio. He dribbled the ball. He stopped for 3. Short. Rebound Batak. Behind the back dribble. Drives to the rim. Yes, sir. Number 10 between the legs dribble. Stop. Launch on 3. No good. Number 11. Pinasa kay Mata. He kicks out sa 3. No good. Rebound. Puyot. Bounce pass. Sa gitna. Number 11. Umatake, pasa kay Puyot, reverse layup, yes sir. Sa corner, fix. Pass to number 11, pinabitin no, no good. Battle for the rebound, goes to Solsona. Number 1, Tomas. Number 11, pinasa, fix. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound number 7. Naagawan ng Candy. Here's number 11, behind the back pass. Pinasa kay Matalis. Bakit for 2 Mata? And also na ball possession number 8 to the middle number 18. Sakto kay number 7 reverse layup. Bakit? Good. Tanilla with the ball. He's on the logo. And he pass on the inside fake. So kumaldag, fires off the window. Bakit? Thomas dribbling the ball to Fontanilla. Pass on the inside to the middle. Natapikan. Nag-agawan, recovers to Tomas. Wild open for 3. No good. Rebound and a putback shot. And here's number 15 spins. Almost stolen. Nagkatapikan. Oops. Backdoor inbound. Team Solsona sa loob. Spins. Oh, ang ganda naman nun. What a move. Long pass. Bola, pasok yan. And a ball possession, Solsona. Ball is stolen. Puyot. Oop! Uy! Hinarap. And pass inside. Fires. Ooh! Basket is good. 10 seconds on the game clock. Ball is stolen again. Gubalap. Uy! Binasang sa kalaban. And Fontanilla with the ball. Oops, side step. Grabing hakbang yun. And change favor tayo mga idol. And now Solsona up by 1. And here's Team Batak. Little bump. Pass to Puyot. Spins. Bumangga. Kicks out sa 3. Bang! 3 point. And here's Fontanilla. Crossover. Fontanilla with the ball. Pass to the middle. And nadula si Idol. And a bounce pass. Naipit, na-recover. And here's Puyot with the ball. Kicks out. Pass back, Puyot. Wild open for 3. Bang! And here's number 1, Tomas. Tomas di-discarded dito. Pinasa kay Gubala sa 3. Off the target. Rebound Tomas. And a putback shot goes in. Crosses the mid lane. He stop. Pass to Puyot. Puyot attacks. And he fakes. He bumps. He fires. Too strong. Battle for the rebound. Number 7 for Team Solsona. Pass to number 26. He drives. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. 1-1 for Team Batak. And here's number 26, stop, launch on 3, short, battle for the rebound, Puyot, put back of the window. Backdoor inbound for Team Solsona, looking for the receiver, sakto sa gitna, fix, fires, oh, what a friend. Again, 1 point lead, Team Batak. And number 8, Pass to Katunggal. Pass to the corner. Sa loob, Puyot. Naagawan. And a long pass. Ball is stolen. Puyot. Sakto. Fires off the glass. Puyot. And Thomas with the ball. Bounce pass to the corner. Pull up jumper. Na good. Rebound mapupunta sa Batak. Number 29. Bounce pass. Puyot. Sumigsag. Libre. A backdoor inbound. Looking for the receiver. He kicks out. Number 10. Side step. Hugo step. Pinasa sa loob. Fires off the window. Bucket for short. And a pass break. Pinasa picks. Fires. Basket. Traveling. And here's Puyot. Between the legs. Sumegway. Step backs. Cross pass. Katunggal. Pass inside. Libre. Bucket for 2. Pass yun. Pass sa gitna. Pull up jumper at the free throw. Off the target. Katunggal. Katunggal to Puyot sa 3. Short. Rebound. Nagmamadali. No look pass sa low floater. Bucket for 2. 2-point lead. 14 Batak. Katunggal. Aatake dito. Side step. Binato! Yun ang pinakama. Back to the ball game. Solsona basketball. And recovers. Fontanilla with the ball. Pinunasan pasa sa gitna. One bounce and fire. Bucket for 2. And still Batak up by 2. 51-49. Number 9. Pass on the inside. For posting. He lays bucket for rebound. Solsona. Here's Thomas. Bumanga, fires, Kosuko, sure! A friendly roll. So inbound, number 0. Looking for the receiver. Sa gitna. Bounce pass, number 3. Number 0, attacks. Oh, Filipino step, reverse layup, no good. Tips in. Wala pa rin. Oh, basket and 1 pa lang gusto. And ball is stolen.
Last 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Oh, sa ulo. Oy, di umabot, sayang. No basket goes to Team Solsona. Gubala. And sa 3, bang! 57-54 ang score natin. Sa gitna, aatake, he kicks out. Sa 3, babawi. Wala, rebound, putback. Yes, sir. Gubala, natapikan. Naagawan. Bounce pass. Pinasa sa loob. Kicks out, Enrique. Mata, natapikan. Naagawan. 1-on-1 ngayon. Binitbit. Easy 2 points. Enrique for the inbound. Looking for the receiver. Pass on the middle, fires off the window, bucket for 2. And it's number 7, Naagawan. 2-on-2, binitbit, lays, yes sir. Point lead, 14 Batak. Thomas, pull up jumper, off the glass, bucket for 2. And 7-point lead, 14 Batak, kicks out. Sa 3, off the target, rebound, Solsona. Pinasa sa kalaban, lays, easy 2, Katunggal. And back to 9-point lead. And he drives to the rim, bucket for 2, sir. And 67-60 score natin. Here's Puyot, pass to the middle. And Katunggal for the drives to the corner. Uy! Grabe yon, huli ni Rep. And here's Katunggal. Oh, pinasa pa. Ang gandang pasa ni Katunggal dun. Fontanilla for the inbound. Naagawan. Puyot. Behind the back. Go, create space, lays. Libre. Basket and 1. Puyot. And number 10. Goes to the rim. Nabitawan ang bola. Mata. Puyot. Pinasa po. And a fire and 1. Sa Solsona, number 12. Nag-dive sa bola. Pass break. Pinabitin. Rebound sa gitna. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. Katunggal. sa corner. Puyot, crossover na, bitawan yung bola. Hook pass. Dalawa laban sa isa, pinasa pa. Floater of the glass, Toma. Door inbound. Sa gitna, fakes. Pinasa kay Mata. Goes to coach, Mata. And that's the end of the game.
76-64.
Congratulations.